Hey guys, welcome back to the Geek channel, and in this video I am going to run through one of our bankruptcy lawyers campaigns. I've chosen to do February here because that's kind of before things started crashing and with the coronavirus and all that stuff, and so this is the most accurate real-time data we have because after February, basically in March everything started collapsing and conversion rates started dropping because of the panic and all that stuff. So in a normal environment, this would be the regular statistics. All right, so we got our bankruptcy lawyer here. She is spending about $97 a day. And as you can see here, she's actually really limited by budget. If she had more budget, she'd get a lot more leads. Let's see what it's. So it's actually recommending us to spend $290 a day up to $410. And I mean, that's kind of crazy, but that just goes to show you how much runway this actually has if you start increasing the budget. So in February, she got 83 clicks, 1,700 impressions, 4.7% click-through rate, paying about $17.50 a lead. Total cost for that month was about $1,400. 20 leads, $72 a lead, 24% conversion rate, which is right on target. That's exactly where we want to be, just about 20 to 25%. Now, this conversion rate, her landing page is pretty dialed in. So we didn't really do too much with it, and then all this stuff started happening in March, so we don't really adjust during panic because it's not accurate data. So we didn't really get a chance to work on it too much. I think I could probably bump this up to 30, and I'd be extremely happy just to coast at 30. Now, her ad groups are a little different than what we normally do. So if you look at her ad groups, let's go into her ad groups. You can see here she's in Maryland. We have Chapter 7 Bankruptcy Lawyer, Washington, D.C. Bankruptcy Lawyer, Credit Card Lawyer, Debt Collection Lawyer, Foreclosure Lawyer, and you kind of get a feel for some more statistics on what she's actually got going on behind the scenes here. We did add in some broader stuff like bankruptcy. Now, we usually don't do that, but we're testing it. She wanted to do it, so whatever the client wants, the client gets. Or what we advise. Sometimes it's just it is what it is. And stop foreclosure was the only one she wanted to do, and the rest of are just our normal lawyer keywords that we always go after. So pretty good results overall. I'm happy with it. She's happy with it. If we can coast at 24%, it's still a win. Ideally, I'd like to get it back up to 30, but her landing page is very simple. It's pretty much the same page we use for everything. Contact form is just name, email, phone. Tell us about what you're looking for, I believe is hers. And then it's the only thing really holding her back here is the current economic situation, which hopefully, well, actually, she'll probably do good with this, honestly. When this is all over and the lockdowns are over, she'll probably do well. But her budget definitely needs to be increased. The 97 a day it's a healthy budget for most campaigns, but if she wants to really start crushing it, she's going to have to up the budget to get more. So if you guys have any questions about this campaign or the bankruptcy niche in general when running Google Ads, drop those questions in the comment below this video. And if you are interested in us running this type of campaign for your bankruptcy firm, or if you have a client who is a bankruptcy lawyer, reach out today. We can talk about deploying this campaign into your clients or your location, and we can replicate these results easily wherever we go. So if that's something you're interested in, reach out below, and also check out the descriptions in the links. I'm sorry, the links in the description under this video. I put some stuff in there for you guys, including a link to our website, clicksgeek.com.